Hi, my name is Jason with the National Weather Service office in Great Falls. Here's your Montana Weather Hazards Briefing. For updates, please visit the National Weather Service web pages or contact any of the Montana National Weather Service offices. Active weather pattern returns for Sunday. Here's a forecasted radar loop for Sunday. Some winter weather impacts are possible across northeast Montana, while a few thunderstorms may return across western, central, and southern portions. Active weather then looks to remain through much of the work week across most of Montana, with the exception of far eastern portions. Periods of rain and perhaps a few thunderstorms are possible. Snow levels will generally be 4,000 to 5,000 feet and above, with the exception on Monday night, Tuesday, and perhaps into Wednesday morning, when some lower elevation snow is possible. Moderate to locally high snow amounts are also possible during this time period in the mountains. Be sure to check back for the latest winter weather forecasts, watches, advisories, and warnings. Many areas are already near or above normal for liquid precipitation so far this April. The active weather pattern this week will determine the final precipitation numbers for the month. Overall, we are in good shape for a normal spring runoff year. Here is the snow water equivalent information and water year information, and you can see that most places are at or above normal for precipitation. The month of May will determine our spring flooding potential. Warm and wet conditions could mean some flooding is possible. If all the snowpack melts out slowly with no big May storms, then the chances for flooding are low. The current May outlook calls for equal chances for temperatures, no indicator one way or another, and slight chances for above normal precipitation. It is recommended to monitor your local office for any new river rising or flooding information. Here's a summary of the hazards that we have discussed. Please pause this slide for further review. Last week, all Montana offices switched over to a new website design. Many of the same features from the previous site carried over to the new one. Still wondering where everything is? Check out our FAQ site. Here many questions are answered, and there's even an instructional video. Contact your local office for any unanswered questions. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, contact any of the 4 Montana National Weather Service offices. We are always available 24/7, 365. Have a great week.